Welcome to Tools Met. Today, we are talking about the wood lathe machine, an essential tool used in woodworking workshops for shaping and turning wood. A wood lathe machine works by rotating a piece of wood at controlled speed, while the operator uses hand tools to cut and shape it. This process is known as wood turning, and it allows craftsmen to create smooth, round, and symmetrical wooden products. Wood lathe machines are commonly used to make table legs, chair spindles, wooden bowls, handles, pillars, and decorative items. With proper technique and sharp tools, highly detailed and professional quality results can be achieved. One of the main advantages of a wood lathe machine is precision and control. The operator can guide the cutting tool carefully to create fine curves, clean edges, and smooth finishes. Speed control also helps in working safely with both softwood and hardwood. Wood lathe machines come in different sizes, from small benchtop models for DIY users to heavy-duty machines for professional workshops. They support various turning tools such as gouges, chisels, and scrapers, making them versatile for different projects. Safety is very important when using a wood lathe machine. Always wear protective equipment, keep tools sharp, and maintain a steady working position while the machine is running. Whether you are a professional woodworker, furniture maker, or a DIY enthusiast, a wood lathe machine is a valuable addition to any workshop. At Tools Met, we bring you honest reviews and helpful guides to choose the right